Hey kids. Yeah, we're back. We're doing stuff right over here. We're going to be using that to make a trophy. And not only that, we're going to be testing out a new shirt from BOCOMAL. This is a long sleeve t-shirt type. Oh, and it's got venting. Yeah, stick around and see how it does. What? You say that I should get down to it more? So here we go. We're getting down to it. I already started the stuff. Anyway, BOCOMAL. We know. They're one of our favorites. They make good stuff. Ask anybody. Anyway, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some trophies, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting this one together right here. I've got some other stuff that I'm gonna be doing too, but for now, we're gonna take care of this one. I think I got a pretty good idea, but first, we gotta weld up a piston. Now, how are we gonna do that? Stick around and find out. Watch it. Quit bonking the thing. Stick around and find out. You might say to yourself, Chad, what are you doing? Look, what are you... Hey, we're gonna weld something. That's what we're gonna do right here, right now. Now, we're just gonna try to make this as straight up and down as possible because it's gonna go there. I have a whole plan. Here we go. Oh, my wire must be pinched. Hold on, that's broken. Nothing ever goes as planned. That's fine. Now, hopefully it's gonna work this time. If not, we'll do it again. I promise. Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. Yeah, that worked, didn't it? Safety gear is super important when you're doing stuff, and that's why we got helmet, gloves, all that. Oh, and a fire-resistant shirt. And there we go. No, I didn't feel anything. Okay. Now, I'm going to weld something else. These guys right here, to this thing. Yeah, we're going to try to get them to be angular like that, you know. Like that. Doesn't help when the pistons themselves are aluminum, and then the bad word, and then the steel. So we're gonna try it again. Right there. We're gonna try to get them to be like that. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Let me tell you, these shirts from BOCOMAL are fantastic. Not only am I not feeling any sparks, but I'm completely safe except for when I kick that. You know, that's something, right? Right. Now, I'm doing this for my friend Arco for his car show. He asked me to make 5 trophies this year. And so I'm doing that. I've got 2 done. That's a little bit, yeah, that was a little bit off. So we're just gonna try to get it back. We had it like that. Okay, let's try her again. Why you attack things, kids? Other way, Chad. Yep. All right, look at that. We got, so what we got some pistons out of a Honda, my stepson's Honda, and then I'm gonna try to get this one like that to stand there. You know, makes sense? I know it's a lot of not doing much, but we gotta do stuff. All right, let's hit it again. We're in a little paint. It's fine, I'm sure. Okay. Doing some nice big tacks on there. Clean them up just a little bit, and then we'll hit it again. I really like how this is coming out. No, I did not wipe the dirt off of it. Why? I don't know. But the important thing is that's backwards again. Oh. Gotta go like that, huh? All right. My tack broke loose. Let's fix it. Yeah, we'll get it one more. Give her one more right here. There we go. That'll do. Yeah. I like it. What do you think? Yep. You like it too? Good. Yep. Get it. This long sleeve t-shirt is fantastic. I'm not feeling any issues at all. The sparks aren't hurting, nothing. Dirt and paint smell good when they're burning. There we go. Yes, sir. Or ma'am, depending upon. All right, now you got this guy. Right? That's part of the other trophy. We're gonna tack this up a couple more times real good, and then we're gonna put it where it belongs, and then you can see when it's done. Not the best ground, but a ground nonetheless. We're gonna stick that right there. And we're gonna try to get this thing to stand up. I like it a lot. Of course, we'll be cleaning up the welds to make them prettier than not pretty. But we're cooking. All right, let me get these cleaned up. All right, kids. You saw BOCOMAL shirt does fantastic, and we already know they do. And you saw that I was putting their gloves back to work too. I love their safety gear. I mean, I'm not just saying it because I have it on either. I mean, I genuinely really like this stuff. And not only that, I have actually loaned a long sleeve shirt to a buddy of mine because he needed some for work, and he said he absolutely loves it. He threatened to not give it back to me, but if he doesn't, hey, that's great. I'm more than happy to share. But look, fantastic stuff. Now I'm going to show you 4 of the 5 trophies that I've got made, and Yes, I made another one before I ended the video. They're kind of neat. They're kind of kitschy. They're kind of whatever. But these are the built, not bought trophies for the Resurrectors reunion. So more than happy to do this for my good buddy. And anyway, you check out BOCOMAL. Just go on there and just start clicking things and buy it all. I'm not kidding. All right. So until next time, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and stuff, and keep on wrenching.